Hello everyone! My name is Mimi and welcome to my home-based story. Good morning sa inyo. So today is actually a Sunday. Kaya medyo we're gonna take a break from our work from home topics. And may iba yung topic natin today. So it's more on managing your time. Alam naman natin lahat na with the new normal, our kids are also stuck at home with us. So while we're working from home, they're also spending their time at school from home. This year is definitely something that no one has foreseen, that alam mo yun, marami tayong adjustment na kailangan gawin. And I think that it is very important, guys, that we take a break from our jobs and we spend quality time pa rin with the family. And I want you guys, or parents out there, to have an idea on how you can juggle your work from home and spending time with your kids. Kasi guys, your kids are not gonna be small forever. And it's a very good idea to build this kind of memories with them. So yan talagang tumatatak sa isip nila hanggang lumaki sila na, when we were little, we did this little experiment with my mom or with my dad, diba? So that's why for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an experiment with the kids. So they're already very excited about it. Without further ado, I'm gonna introduce you to my 3 makukulit na kasama sa bahay. Ayan. Okay, so everyone, for today, we're gonna try an experiment with the kids. So, here are my kids. We have here Cassidy, Yasmin, and what's your name?
My name's Castiel.
Castiel, or we call him, what do we call you?
Kuya.
No, we call you Kael. Okay? Because you're the youngest, right? Why would we call you Kuya? So for today, guys, we're gonna show you something fun that you can do at home. Guys, we're gonna do the balloon experiment. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Who's excited? Raise your hand. Kael, you're looking at. Who's excited to do the experiment?
Me!
Here are the things that we're gonna need. We're gonna have the baking soda, the balloons, we need a funnel or embudo, and then we also need empty bottles, and then of course your regular suka from the kitchen. First, we're gonna put the baking soda inside the balloons. So get your balloons. Think that's enough? That's a lot. Shake it a little like this.
Oh, it looks like snow. It looks like
I'll hold the funnel and pull it out. There.
Oh.
And then the last one is Kael's turn. After that, we just pull it out, right, Kael?
We're ready.
So, the balloons are ready, right, kids?
Yeah. Mine is the
Amazing.
biggest.
So, next, we're gonna prepare the bottles.
But
And,
it's got a little water.
yeah, that's okay. And then we're gonna put the...
Vinegar.
Who can smell it now? How about smelling the vinegar?
No.
What?
Smell. Smell it. Oh, what do you think this vinegar tastes like?
Sour.
Very sour. Okay.
Very.
So we're gonna put vinegar here on each of your bottle. Let's remove that funnel. And we're gonna get your balloon. So we're gonna stretch it like this. And then we're gonna put it here like that.
Mommy only can. Yeah. This is
There.
good from the help
So
from
let's put it
grown-ups.
here. One. Ah, there you go. This is actually where the magic will start. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3 and go. So when I say go, then it's time for you to put the baking soda inside the vinegar. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go! Okay, so guys, do you like your balloons?
Yes.
How did you find our experiment today?
Good. It was awesome.
Okay. So did you guys have fun today?
Yes.
How about you, Kyle? Did you have fun today?
What if we put the water here in the bowl?
It's not gonna fizzle. You know why? Because the baking soda reacts with the vinegar. That's why it fizzles and then it blows the balloon up. So that's how it works. Do you like to do it again?
No.
No? Why not?
I want to do it again. Blowing up a balloon.
Blowing the balloon. It was awesome, right?
Yeah.
When we go outside, what do we wear?
Mask.
We wear masks. Why do you think we need to wear masks when we go outside?
Because there's virus. It's not full of virus.
Is the world full of virus right now? Yeah. Do you miss going to school?
Yeah.
Yeah? But this year, you're gonna be going to school here at home. Is that okay? What do you miss most about going outside? Kyle?
School.
What do you miss most about school?
Friends.
Your friends. What do you do with your friends?
Learn with teacher.
So you miss your teachers and friends, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
Sana na-enjoy nyo rin yung experiment. It's an idea that you can also try with your kids at home. Especially, you know, when you're taking a break from work from home or kung, you know, walang pasok din yung mga bata, di ba?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Bye! Bye! Bye!
Ayan, so mga mommies and daddies, sana nagustuhan nyo yung shinare ko na activity na pwede nyo rin gawin with your kids at home. So these activities kasi, it helps you bond with your kids. And at the same time, alam mo yun, it's also your chance to talk to them and, you know, ask them how they feel about this whole new normal thing that we have. Kung ano ba yung nararamdaman nila, because some kids, lalo na yung mga madalas lumabas ng bahay and mahilig lumabas, they may feel locked in or suffocated. So it's a good time for you to check that with them. And we're really glad that our kids understand why they're sometimes not allowed to go with us outside, lalo na kapag halimbawa mag-grocery, they have to stay at home, they cannot go to any leisure places. Kasi before, yung pinaka-bonding talaga namin is we sometimes go to like yung mga indoor playground. So, alam naman nating lahat na sarado na yan ngayon. So, you don't have to be hard on yourself. As parents kasi, we all have our different ways on making, you know, on bringing our child up. And there's no exact science to that. Of course, we want to raise them smart, you know, keep them safe and healthy. Pero, napaka-importante talaga, mommies and daddies, na our kids, they know how to take emotional cues from the people around them. Kaya naman kami ng husband ko, we really chose Enfagrow A Four. Ayan, kasi Enfagrow A Four, guys, it has the highest level of DHA. And not only that, it is the only milk brand that has the MFGM Pro.
Dahil sa nutrients na yan, together with your proper guidance, Enfagrow A Four helps boost not just intelligence, but the 8 signs of brain development for academic and emotional intelligence. Ang maganda pa dito, Enfagrow A Four has beta-glucan, DHA, and prebiotics that help strengthen the immunity against respiratory infections. Mahalaga din that we keep their immunity strong, especially ngayon na may pandemic. So we have to realize that these little ones will eventually face the realities outside of school, outside of home, and mas maganda yung bata pa lang sila, prepare na natin sila. So, napakahalaga talaga, mommies and daddies, na yung socio-emotional skills nila is na-develop habang bata pa lang sila. So, paano nga ba i-develop yung IQ and EQ ng ating mga anak? Of course, our kids need us. First and foremost, it is you that they need. So, to show them everything about how the world works. So, kasama na dyan yung pagtuturo mo sa kanila sa mga lessons nila, yung mga stories na kinukwento mo sa kanila like before bedtime or even like, you know, sit down talk. Mommies and daddies, remember, kids learn
about the world with their mind, but they can make it a better place with their hearts. And I highly recommend Enfagrow A+4. It's the best partner that you can have in raising not just academically intelligent or smart kids, but kids that are compassionate towards others. So let's all raise smart kids with a heart with Enfagrow A+4. You can visit and get them in Lazada. I'll put the link down below, so it's already also here on the screen. You can also check out their Facebook page and website for more information. Mommies, comment down below your best parenting tips in raising healthy, smart kids with a heart, and we will pick 10 people to get a special gift pack from Enfagrow A+4. Don't forget to include the hashtag Healthy Smart Kids with a Heart and share with your friends so they too can get a chance to win the special gift pack. And make sure you also sign up for the Enfagrow Club Mama so you can get, tips on activities, on parenting, and Lazada vouchers that you can use, along with many other partner perks and promos. So make sure you check that out, and sana ma-share nyo to sa iba pang mommies and daddies who are also coping with the new normal para makatulong somehow, diba? Ayan. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. Sana medyo na-enjoy nyo, na medyo nakahinga tayo for a while from work from home. And don't you worry because I will see you guys again on another work from home video next time. Thanks for watching! Bye!